Here's a short little video on how to set up your account on ezbib.com. So you go to ezbib.com and you go to sign up. And to create an account, sign in with Google. I've already created an account. So I will select this one. So then they bring you to this page, and what I do is I like to organize all my projects. So I'm just gonna make up a project name, sample English MLA 7. I'm going to create that. So then I can keep all my citations in one place. So let's say I have looked at presidential fun facts and I want to use this website in my research. So what I do is I come up here and select this. I push Control C for copy. I come over here in my example page project. I click on bibliography. I paste this here, Control V for paste. I cite it. So they've gathered some information. They're asking you about credibility. I go ahead and cite it. And they tell me what they found and what they might need help with. Now I can go through and try to find the publisher and the authors, or I'll just go to continue to final step. They'll show me the things that are missing. I create my citation. And there's my citation. I find another website, I go through the same process, and you'll see down below, you have used one of one ad-free citation. Now, if I go through and I try to make another citation, I'm just going to use this same example. So I copy and paste this here. Cite this. Continue to final step. Now they're going to want me to watch an ad. Oh, I'm surprised. They let me do it without watching the ad. Oh, here we go. So we can either pay for it or we can watch an ad. First, they want me to turn off ad blocker, and they go through that step by step. So do that. And then if they want you to watch the ad, watch the ad. If your students are doing this, they can select that they are under 13, and usually they end up being able to skip that ad. So then when I get to the point where I am done citing all my sources through my research, I can export by saving right to Google Documents. I choose my account where I want it saved. And then it says that it's successfully uploaded and to go to Google Docs. And right there, it will be formatted exactly the way it should be. And then you can turn this into the Google Classroom. You can copy and paste this to a slide or a slideshow, however you want the students to share their works cited with you.